Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying you have edit or owner rights on the target Sharepoint site, because without permissions, you cannot create lists. Once confirmed, open your Excel workbook and convert the range into a proper table so Sharepoint maps columns correctly. Make sure headers are clear and data types consistent. Avoid merged cells or mixed types in a column. Save or upload the file to OneDrive or your document library, so Sharepoint can access it when you begin the import process. You navigate to Site Contents and choose New List from Excel to begin the import. This option reads your table and creates a list schema. Once you select the workbook, map each Excel column to a Sharepoint column type, text, number, date, choice, or lookup, because correct types preserve filtering and validation. If a column needs choices or lookup behavior, configure it now. After mapping, preview the first rows to confirm data alignment. Make adjustments before creating the list to avoid rework. You create the list and then immediately verify that items display correctly in default views, because visual checks catch mapping errors quickly. Once done, configure views, enable versioning, set permissions, and add metadata or indexed columns for performance. These steps make the list usable and secure. If you encounter mismatched data types or truncated entries, correct the Excel source and re-import or adjust column types in Sharepoint. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.